You guys, I was just craving iced coffee and I was like, let me come to McDonald's and get myself some iced coffee because what the hell?
I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Another vlog. I mean, this intro I'm actually filming at the end of, you know, the vlog because I realized that I didn't do an intro. I don't think I did an intro. But anyway, welcome to the vlog, guys. Yeah, I'm very excited. It's just what I got up to here and there. It wasn't very consistent throughout the whole week because I've been really busy with some other stuff. But yeah, welcome to the vlog and hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog. Guys, I finally got my SIM card and this is the Rain 4G SIM. I'm so excited. I can finally like stream unlimited and stuff like that. Yeah, it says your unlimited data network. I was gonna get the 5G, but like it was a longer process and I just didn't like the fact that I can't take it wherever, you know, it has to be at my place. But yeah, this is the Rain 4G SIM. I'm gonna put in my router and then I'll also leave a review as to how great it is. I've heard bad things about Rain, but I was like, let me just take the risk myself and see. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm finally gonna be streaming unlimited, guys. Data is so expensive. So I just opened and it has like this, like this is so cute. They're like SIM card extractor thingy and I'm like, oh my gosh. I always never knew what this thing is called, but they're like SIM card extractor thingy. This is so cute. I just hope it works. And then it says, welcome to Rain. Need a hand, get started, go to rain.co.za. But yeah, I will leave this and let you guys know.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home.
Anyway guys, so that is it with me cooking with Naledi with some Asha in the background. This is probably going to be my last cooking video because I don't want to embarrass myself on Beyonce's internet. So it was pretty nice. It's pretty nice. You can't really see it properly on camera, but yeah, it's not bad. It's nice. Anyway, let me go eat. Noah hollered. That's the thing of my life. Hey guys, so I wanted to do my, well, I'm gonna do, not I wanted to do my nails. As you can see, literally nothing going on. So I already clipped them and I want to do these press-on nails. These are from Clicks and it is the smudge French nails. So this is how it looks like. I already tried to open it, that's why it's like torn at the top, but then yeah, this is what the nails look like. They are so pretty. Anyway guys, so I'm gonna be in my beauty room doing my press-on nails and I'm just gonna do it while I watch a series. I'm in an episode of Tyler Perry's Sisters and then I'm just gonna like just add music and I hope you guys enjoy it. And let's get these girlies in order.
Catch a break, give a pretty brown girl her space. can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good.
So I usually have this at night when I literally cannot fall asleep, and I just decided to make myself a cup of tea and just relax. It's honestly been the longest day.
Jump off my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day.
Nice, Mr. Flopper. Money was required in exchange for
One thing
sex.
about me,
No.
I will order
But he should have known
pizza.
that.
Okay.
When he refused to pay
Love
me
it.
the money, I wanted to teach him.
Hi guys, welcome to another day of the vlog. So today I'm just going out with a friend of mine. So we're gonna try this restaurant. It's called I love this hair so much, but I miss my long wig. I think I'm gonna wear the long one next. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. So we're gonna try this restaurant. It's called Mabu. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or wrong. We were just like, let's actually try this restaurant and see what's up. I've never been. I've been seeing it a lot on TikTok and people have been giving it really good reviews, so I was like, okay, Lego. So yeah, I just want to see how it is and enjoy, because I haven't seen her in a very long time. So yeah, let's go guys, let's go. I hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog. See you guys.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go.